Dolly, get your mousey. Dolly, it's right under your foot. Sometimes I worry about you. Yeah, this would be Dolly's mouse. It's alive and kind of concerned. Yeah, so Dolly was making this weird noise and came running up onto the bed with the little mouse in her mouth. That was very exciting for me. And here's her with her mouse, who I'm going to rescue and put outside in just a second. Grandma jinxed us and said she hoped one of the cats would bring a mouse for Sangria the snake. And you know what? A couple hours later, she did.